Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Food. I won't lie, I love pasta. I can easily eat it a couple times a week. I find it's versatile and in most cases, quick to make. There's that Italian-American recipe that can be made in 30 minutes and it's Shrimp Fra Diavolo. Just by the name, you know it's spicy, but not overly. There's a gorgeous combination of ingredients that makes this dish amazingly delightful. So let's get cooking. Here we have about a pound of prawns, and the first thing we'll do is to pat them dry using paper towels. Then we'll transfer them to a large bowl, and to this, we'll season with red pepper flakes, smoked paprika, which will give a nice flavor, some ground sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We'll stir very well, making sure the prawns are nicely coated with the seasonings. Alright, let's move on to the stove. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add the remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And when it starts shimmering, we'll add our coated prawns in a single layer. Don't stack them, otherwise they won't cook evenly. We'll cook them for about 1 to 1.5 minutes per side at the most, or until they get pink. If you cook them longer, they'll get rubbery. What I normally do is to cook the prawns for 1.5 minutes and then only 1 minute after I flip them. Using a slotted spoon, we'll transfer them to a bowl and set aside for now. Next, in the same skillet, we'll add onions, sprinkle on some sea salt, and reduce the heat to medium. We'll saute them for 2 minutes or until translucent. A few minutes later, we'll add roasted red peppers and pressed garlic, 4 large ones. This time, we'll quickly saute the ingredients for just 1 minute. We'll now add tomato paste and stir to coat. To salvage your leftovers, click on the top right corner of your screen. Next, we'll add a can of diced tomatoes and then pour in a cup of dry white wine before adding Italian seasoning, which you can get my homemade blend by clicking on the link, and also freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir well, reduce the heat to medium-low, and simmer gently for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll cook our linguine according to the package directions, unless you want to make it from scratch and the link is showing up on your screen. When time is up, we'll return the prawns to the skillet, including any accumulated juices, cover them with the sauce, add some lemon zest, which will brighten it up, and cook until warm through. That should take no more than 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, we'll drop in our cooked linguine and add a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley. We'll stir until everything is well blended. We'll serve in warm bowls and sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. And my friends, this is our Shrimp Fra Diavolo. This delicious Italian-American pasta dish is a quick and easy recipe to make. Within 30 minutes, you've got a tasty meal to enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!